How to set up Kobold AI for Janitor AI. Follow my instructions. First, go to janitorai.com on your mobile or desktop browser. Log in and tap the three-line menu at the top right. Select API settings from the drop-down list. Now scroll and tap on Kobold AI as your provider. You'll need a working Kobold API endpoint. If you don't have one, you can either host Kobold locally using tools like Kobold CPP, or use a public one. Just search for public Kobold AI endpoints. But be careful, not all public endpoints are stable or safe. If you're hosting locally, make sure Kobold is running and note your local URL. Usually it looks like http://127.0.0.1:5000. Paste your Kobold endpoint into the API field in Janitor AI. Tap Save or Apply. Now open a character and start chatting. If it responds, your setup worked. If not, double-check that Kobold is running and the port is correct. You've now integrated Janitor AI, Kobold AI. Great for using open-source language models without spending credits. Thanks for watching.